Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. But first we open EUR/CAD in H1 time frame. In this video I'm revealing the best Forex trading strategy that you can use with the stochastics indicator. The stochastics is one of the most famous trading indicator, identifying overbought and oversold levels on the market. Now next indicator we need 200 EMA moving average. The stochastics by itself, I like to complement this strategy by adding another indicator that can detect the medium-term trend, and that is the 200 EMA. This way I can safely trade the reversal strategy. How the strategy works is very simple. If the price is above the 200 EMA while the SAW classics is that oversold, you take a buy position. This is the stochastics confirmation oversold level and 200 EMA confirmation. And if the K line crosses above the D line, it indicates that the stochastics is heading upwards. Now here we place buy trade. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. And it's the same for sale positions as well. If the price is below the 200 EMA while the stochastics is at overbought, you take a sell position. This is the stochastics confirmation overbought level and 200 EMA confirmation. Now here we place sell trade. We set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.